The cabinet, which met on the 17th of March 2023, had made reference to the governor's speech that includes the enhancement of salary to government-aided pre-primary schools, the establishment of a state university, border issues, peace talks with the proscribed HNLC outfit, besides others. This was announced by spokesperson of the MDA 2.0 government at a press briefing held today. On the establishment of a state university, Paul Lyngdoh said that the Capt. Williamson Sangma Technical University will now be converted into a state university that will include various courses catering to the educational needs of students in Meghalaya.
We've already passed and adopted a cabinet memo to change the technical university into a state university. What comes next is the infrastructure, the support, the technical staff, the faculty, right? These will fall in place once the act is adopted. Probably the space available now will not suffice. We have to go on expansion mode. But with today's technology, everything is possible. And I mentioned very clearly that we will include studies in the department fields of humanities, commerce, general sciences, engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, and related areas. So it's and professional courses as well. So it's all inclusive.
While speaking about the enhancement of salary to pre-primary school teachers, Paul Lyngdoh announced that the same will be tabled on the floor of the House in the upcoming budget session.
The enhancement of grant and aid for pre-primary schools. This has been a long pending grievance of pre-primary school teachers. Altogether, there are 710 such schools, and we have decided to enhance the grant and aid, which at present is 12,000 rupees to 18,000 rupees for all teachers belonging to the pre-primary school level.